Now, as you can see, I have a demonstration mode running here on the radio because I first powered it up and that demonstration mode starts automatically that way. But I don't want to see this stuff going on the screen while I'm driving around. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off this demonstration mode. Even though your particular in-dash receiver may be a 1-DIN model or a 2-DIN model and may or may not have a built-in CD player, the button operation in this demonstration is identical for the following Pioneer Audio in-dash receiver models: MVH-S320BT and 322BT, MVH-S420BT, MVH-S522BS, MVH-S620BS and 622BS, MVH-S720BHS, DEH-S4200BT and 4220BT, DEH-S5200BT, DEH-S6220BS and 6220BS, DEH-S7200BHS, FHS520BT, FHS720BS and 722BS. So while I'm watching this demonstration, I'm just going to touch the source button up here to switch on the in-dash receiver to the radio. It could be any source though. Then press in on the volume control. And we want to get to the system menu. Here's system and we'll press enter. Now let's scroll along here until we find demo. Here's demo off. We'll press in on the volume control and now press in on the volume again to confirm yes. And that switches the demonstration off. So let's get back out to the source. We'll touch the arrow back key here. That takes us back out to the AM/FM radio source. And I'm going to switch the in-dash receiver off. Press and hold the source key for a couple of seconds. That switches it off. You can see the clock came up on the screen. If I don't want the clock and the lights to be on the screen, I can touch the display button to switch that off, and you can see that no demonstration mode appears.